Hello friends, you're watching Android Tech Solutions, and today in this video I'm going to show you how can you install Slack desktop application in Ubuntu. First of all, open your web browser and here just search for download Slack for Linux. And here you will get the very first link. I will give this link in the description so you can easily download it from there. Okay. And I just here you can see Slack for Linux, and it is currently on the beta version. Okay. So basically this is the desktop application of Slack. This is how it looks. So I'll just download. Here we have two options to download. One is for DEB and one is for RPM package. Okay, so .deb is for Debian and Ubuntu. So we'll download this one. And such kind of pop-up will come. Okay, just just download it. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just canceling this. Now just open your file manager and just go to downloads. So here you can see Slack has been downloaded for me. I'll just right click on it. Now click on open with software install. And here you can see now just click on install. It will ask sudo password. Okay, now the Slack installation has been started. Okay, Slack has been installed successfully. Now you can just click on show all application at the left bottom, and here just search for Slack, and here you can see the beautiful logo of Slack. And here you can see the sign in window of Slack has been popped up. Okay, so now you can just log into your workspace and start your work. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials.